Hi everyone, welcome to my Akka Class channel. Today I am writing Republic Day speech. Let's learn Republic Day speech. First line. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Second line. My name is Adya. Next line. Today is Republic Day. We love our country. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all my videos. Next line. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. This day is very special for our country India. Next line. We love our national flag. जय हिंद जय भारत. Thank you for watching video. Please share and subscribe my channel.